see a spider when the walls fell again.
Electronic power steering for effortless fingertip control over an ultra-tight turning radius.
Playing your new piano?
An innovation no one else offers.
Who bought you that piano?
Papa.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you, Papa. Thank you for buying me a new piano.
Do you love your new piano? Can you play a little song?
So you enable.
You don't want to alienate your child, so you enable.
But if you think
Play a little song for Pop Pop?
you shouldn't be great.
You're the parent.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up, a world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Now play some of the music on the piano and show Pop Pop how you dance to it. I'll help you. Okay. Uh-oh. Do another one. All right. Say bye, Pop Pop.
Bye, Papa.
Say love you.
Love you.
Thanks again.
Thanks again, Papa.